Welcome back, everyone. It's Christmas time. It's hot chocolate time, which I just remembered I have a cup of hot cocoa here and I forgot to be drinking it. Anyway, guys, everyone knows that Christmas is about not necessarily giving presents, but like everyone loves them. A lot of people get stressed out and don't know what to get people, and I'm here to help you out. So this video is great if you want to like write a Christmas list to give to your parents, or if you just need ideas of what to get other people. But what I always do is make a Christmas list to give to my parents and my brother. I don't see it as like rude asking for presents. Like, they are obviously gonna get me some things, and so if I just have a list, it makes it a lot easier for them. They'll know I like it, all that good stuff. What I always do is make a Google Docs because you can share it with people and it updates everyone automatically, so I can keep working on it and adding things and whatnot. And I'm going to go through it, share some ideas, different categories, stuff like that. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Give this video a thumbs up and let's hop into it. So I'll just show you what mine kind of looks like right now. I just have pictures, and then what I do is I put the links on them so it's nice and easy to find. The first category is clothes, and this is personally my favorite thing. It's like, if I only got clothes, I would be more than happy. And you wouldn't be surprised, guys like clothes too, especially if they don't know what to get but they want to look stylish. What I always do is just look at all my favorite online stores, and I look for sweatshirts, I look for sweaters and tops and all sorts of different things. So it totally depends on their style. I actually have a video for guys clothing tips down below that I'll link. Something that I've been getting into a ton recently has been working out, so fitness clothing is a huge thing. Now, branching off of fitness clothing is other workout type things. On here I also have a new pair of tennis shoes, which are great because you'll use them so much. I have a pair of Beats headphones. Shut up! I have these headphones. I really wish I got like black, not rose gold or something, because it's so obnoxiously stereotypical. But anyway, they get all sweaty when I work out, so I really want the over-the-ear wireless headphones in black, so that's another workout type thing if you're looking for something a little more expensive. I put a gym bag from Victoria's Secret pink because it'd be really nice to be able to go for my classes straight to the gym and not have to carry all these things in my backpack and in my hands. Branching off of shoes, that is an amazing gift. That's my go-to idea when people say that they need help, because it's not like super expensive like Beats, but it's not like super cheap. People can always use new shoes, whether that's a black pair of Converse that they'll wear every day or like a cute boot or something. Just make sure you know their shoe size, and they'll probably love it if you have good fashion. Also on here is like in the technology section, a great present, which is like super popular and so much fun to have. You can see right over here I have a bunch of Polaroid pictures. And so a Polaroid camera is an amazing find. Every single year I ask for more film, because then I don't have to buy film for myself, and it's just really convenient and I love making memories. Also on here I put a camera case just to make it easier to carry around, so little accessories like that are always awesome. I also put a phone Bluetooth printer, so basically you can edit pictures on your phone, connect it to this tiny little printer, and it prints out an individual photo, which would be amazing for cute little gifts or decorations or whatnot. I think that's an awesome present. The last thing on here technology wise that I have is an Xbox One, because I love video games and it would be amazing to have. Other ideas include a speaker. That would be an amazing gift for someone, a nice Bluetooth speaker. Okay, now is like accessories. You could get people hats and cool belts and sunglasses. I have a cool pair of sunglasses on here from Amazon that I really like. Cute headbands, but with that goes a general thing of advice. Only get someone headbands if you know that they would wear headbands. Only get someone an Xbox if you know they like video games. You know, that applies to everything. You always want to be thinking of what the person would want, not what you want, or not what you would want for them. It's very easy to get caught up in that, but just make sure that they'll enjoy the gift and actually use it / wear it to make it worth your while. Another big thing on here is experiences. I know a lot of people prefer this. Like on here I have my tattoo. I want another tattoo, so that could get paid for example, or like a piercing, or it could go skydiving, or to the movies, something as simple as that, or like a day at the spa, a manicure. There are so many different opportunities, you know, a class that you want to take, a subscription service that you want to get, like a makeup subscription. That's so hard to say. Something else is like beauty, makeup, that kind of stuff. you want to know what they like, especially for this, because some people are pretty picky. You want to know like their skin type, that type of thing. Or if it's for your own wish list, just pick some cool stuff out. I also have like a self tanner on here that I love. It's from the brand Loving Tan. If you're looking for a good self tanner, that's an amazing one. I also have a bottle of perfume. Perfume and cologne are amazing gifts because they just are. If you're a huge like nerd like I am and my brother, then you could ask for like actual things like little miniature figures or props from the movie, posters. Posters are a great one. Decorations, you get asked for macrame designs, hanging plants, maps. I have a salt rock lamp over here, which is amazing and I love it. Pillows and blankets. Blankets are an amazing gift because everyone loves blankets. Fun pajamas, I have an Eeyore onesie, that's amazing. If you're looking for less expensive, more sentimental gifts, then you could always take a picture of you two or whatever and put it in a cute frame, or even draw a picture. Nothing beats sentimental gifts. If someone has a favorite drink like hot chocolate or a favorite candy or whatever, you know, put together a cute little gift basket, include a couple of movie tickets. There are so many options for gift giving. I love giving gifts. Alright guys, I don't want my battery to die, so I was talking pretty fast there because it's like been blinking red the whole time. But I just want to say thanks for watching this video. Make sure to follow me on my social media. Have a great day everyone, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.